Ever noticed menus, buttons, or images changing when you move your mouse over them? That's called a mouse hover effect. And today, I'll show you how testers identify and test it like a pro. What is mouse hover? A mouse hover happens when a user places the cursor over an element without clicking it. Websites use hover effects to show drop-down menus, tooltips, color changes, animations, and hidden options. For example, 1. Drop-down menus. 2. Product quick view buttons. 3. Tooltip messages. 4. Highlighted buttons. 5. Image zoom effects. Visual identification. Move your mouse cursor over menus, buttons, icons, or images. Check whether 1. Color changes. 2. Border appears. 3. Text becomes highlighted. 4. Drop-down opens. 5. Tooltip appears. 6. Animation starts. Also check if the cursor changes into a hand pointer. Testing tips. 1. Hover visibility. Check whether the hover effect appears properly. 2. Correct drop-down opening. Verify the correct submenu opens on hover. 3. Alignment check. Ensure drop-downs or tooltips are properly aligned. 4. Speed check. Hover response should not be too slow or too fast. Common bugs. 1. Drop-down disappears too quickly. 2. Tooltip gets cut off. 3. Hover not working after page zoom. 4. Submenu opens in wrong position. Now you know how to identify and test mouse hover functionality like a real tester. Comment below which UI component you want next. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Testing Ninjas for more software testing tips.